Southern California?
It's actually not my first. It was in January last year. I know there was some in December when Eileen had already moved down here. But yes, it was after a long time without any. It was I didn't actually get caught out in it at all. I only heard it.
The worst place to be is on the freeways because no one here knows how to drive in the rain.
I know.
It becomes hysterical.
Yeah, I know. I was here during the show, and Eileen was getting from Santa Monica to New York, and I had to drive in the rain to take her to work because we only had the one car down here at that time. That was fun.
Yeah, whereas the usual freeway speed, the average freeway speed in Southern California hovers around 80, which is sort of shocking to people from Northern California. When it rains, it goes down to about 20, 25.
Well, I was going over to meet Veronica, who's in town for the Doctor Who thing, for dinner, and I got on the 405. The right two lanes were going 80. The right two lanes were going 35. And it wasn't just like, that happens if you're getting them to an accident or something. It was just like all the people who were like, I don't think I'll read anymore. You there?
Yes, sir. Hello. What's going on?
All right, Tom, we're going to swap you out. All right, have a good show, you guys. Good to see you, Evan. Good to talk to you.
Thank you. Bye, Tom.